Hello and welcome back to the stream. Hope you're doing well. So today I'm just going to continue from where I left off last time. I did xml.parsers.expat.xmlparser.getReparse deferral enabled. This is what I did last time, I think. So today I'm going to be doing xml.parsers.expat.xmlparser.setReparse deferral enabled. And, and yes, I'm going to ask Perplexity to help me out understand this. Okay, so first we're going to start with what is XML, then tell me what is parsers and expat. We're going to go like this step-by-step format so that we can understand what all this is. I think I don't know. Okay, XML or extensible markup language is a markup language used to encode documents in a format that are both human readable and machine readable. It is designed to store and transport data, allowing users to define their own tags and structure, making it versatile for various applications such as web services and data interchange, such as web services and data interchange. Parsers. Parsers are software components that interpret and convert data from one format to another. In the context of XML, a parser reads XML documents and translates them into a format that can be processed by a program. There are two main types of XML parsers: SAX, Simple API for XML, which reads XML data sequentially, and DOM, Document Object Model, which loads the entire document into memory and allows for random access to elements. XPAT. XPAT is an XML parser library. So we studied XML, we studied parsers, now we're studying XPAT. XPAT is an XML parser library written in C. It is known for its speed and efficiency in parsing XML documents. XPAT is widely used in various programming languages. Okay, XPAT is widely used in various programming languages, including Python, where it serves as the underlying parser. XPAT is widely used in various programming languages, including Python, where it serves as the underlying parser for XML processing libraries. And then we have XML parser. In Python, XML parser refers to the specific implementation of the XPAT parser within the xml.parsers.expat module. xml.parsers.expat. This module provides a way to work with XML data using the XPAT parser, allowing developers to handle XML documents effectively in their Python applications. Set reparse deferral enabled. Set reparse deferral enabled is a method associated with the XPAT parser in Python. This method allows users to control the behavior of the parser regarding reparse deferral, which can optimize performance by deferring the parsing of certain parts of the XML document until necessary. This feature is particularly useful in scenarios where large XML documents are processed, as it can help manage memory usage and improve parsing efficiency. In summary, XML is a flexible markup language for data representation. Parsers are tools that convert data formats. XPAT is a fast XML parser library And set reparse deferral enabled is a method in Python's expat implementation that helps optimize XML parsing. Alright, so now we're gonna, how can I use it in a code, right, in a simple code to understand it better. Okay. Now I've asked Perplexity like to explain to me how I can use it in a code, but then I can understand it better. To understand how to use xml.parsers.expat.xml parser, .setReparse deferral enabled in Python, here's a simple example that demonstrates its functionality. This example will show how to create an XML parser, enable or disable reparse deferral, and handle XML data. Okay. First, it says import xml.parsers.expat. Import xml.parsers.expat. Define a simple handler for start and end elements. Okay, now we have to define a simple handler. We're naming it start element. Okay, we have name at attrs. Print. Okay. Start element. And we have the colon. And then curly brackets. Name. And then we have another comma. And then the attributes. Another colon. And then curly brackets again. At attrs again. Okay, now we go for the other one, which is df and element. First, I did define a simple handler for start and end elements. So we're defining a simple handler. And this is for the end element. And then we have a colon over here. Okay, print end element. Curly brackets name. Create an XML parser. Okay, it is time to create an XML parser. So how do we do it? Parser is equal to, put some space, XML dot parsers dot expat dot parser create. Now set the handlers. Okay, let's set the handlers. How do I do that? Parser dot start element handler. Oops, I spelled it wrong. Here it is. Parser dot start element handler is equal to start element. Oh, it's an underscore element. Okay. Parser dot end element. Is it handler Let me see. Yes, it is. It is handler. Parser.endElementHandler. Okay, so these are all the handlers. I'm setting the handlers. So first I've set the start element handler. Now I'm setting the end element handler. This is going to be the end element underscore once again. I keep on typing dash. It's an underscore actually. I don't know why, but I keep typing dash instead of underscore. Okay, so now it is time to enable reparse deferral. How do I do that? Parser dot set reparse deferral enabled, and then true. Alright, so that is enabling the reparse deferral. We've set it to true, and now it is time for the print statement. Okay, single quotes. Reparse. Oops, I spelled it wrong. Reparse deferral enabled. Okay, and then there are these curly brackets. Parser dot get reparse. Oh, it's actually it's get this time. Get reparse deferral and then enabled. And then we have these brackets. And then the curly brackets. Oops, made another mistake. Let's go here. So there's these round brackets. Let me just see the name. Round brackets versus curly brackets. Alright, let it load. Until that time, okay, it's finished loading. Round brackets. Oh yeah, these are round brackets. These are the curly brackets. And these are the round brackets. Round brackets. Alright, so the brackets are in place. What is next? Now just set the example XML data. Okay, put in the example XML data. Okay, so XML data is equal to what? How many inverted commas are those? Okay. And then this is the root. And then press enter. Okay, now we go towards the child. Attribute is equal to value text and then child. Alright, and then the root finishes on the next line. So root comes over here, /. And then there are these three double quotes again. 3 of them. Cool. The errors are gone. The red underlining stuff. I could see the red underlines a couple of seconds ago, but now they're gone. So that means the code is going to work. Very nice. And now it is time to parse the XML data. So in order to do that, try parser dot parse. Okay, XML. Is it underscore? Yes, it is. It's an underscore. This time I put the right symbol. Last time I was putting dash, but now I put underscore. Okay, so parser dot parse XML data, except XML dot parsers dot expat dot expat error. Yes, expat error as E. Okay, now print F single quote error parsing XML. Then the colon, curly brackets, and E. No. Is it a capital E? It's a small e. I gotta put a small e in here. Alright, done with that. Now disable reparse deferral. Okay, that should be easy. Parser dot set reparse deferral. Enabled. And now I'm gonna set it to false. Alright, it's been set to false. Set reparse deferral enabled. False. Cool. Okay, now the print statement again. And reparse deferral enabled. Parser dot get reparse deferral enabled. Okay, now it is time to set the brackets. So first we have the round brackets, yes, and then the curly brackets, yes, curly brackets, then the single quote, yes, the single quote, and then finally this bracket. I think it's the round bracket again. Yes, it is. Alright. Press again to see the effect. Parse again. I don't know. I read that wrong. It's parse. I was reading it press. Parse. Okay, so now try. Parser dot parse XML data. Except. Okay, there is an except. XML dot parsers dot expat dot expat error as E. Okay. Colon. And now the print statement F error parsing XML. Okay, and then the colon and the curly, and then is it a small e? Yes, it's a small e. Okay, I don't see any errors, so that means let's run the program. And then there's the explanation. I'm going to read it afterwards, after the program is run. What is this? No module named xml.parser. Import xml.parser. What? I'm just going to copy this error. It says no module named xml.parser. Okay, let's see how Perplexity corrects this. The correct module name is xml.parsers.expat. Oh, there's no S. I think it should work now. There is no S over there. Oh, okay, it works. So first, let's start. The first output is reparse deferral enabled true. And then it says start element root attributes. And then it says start element child attributes attribute value. And then it says end element child and element root. And now we're going to understand how the code works. Alright. Import the module xml.parsers.expat module is imported to access the expat parser. Define handlers. Two functions, start element and end element, are defined to handle the start and end of XML elements. Where are they? Over here. So the first one is, this is the first function. There are two functions. First one is the start element function. I can see it. It's going to handle the start XML element, and then we have the end element function. This is going to handle the end of XML elements. Okay. So I can see here the start element name and then the attributes. Okay, very nice. Next, create a parser. An instance of the XML parser is created using parser create. Parser create. Yeah, I see it over here. This isn't. We're creating an instance of the XML parser. Okay, an instance of the XML parser is being created using parser create. What's next? Set handlers. The start and end element handlers are assigned to the parser. The start and end element handlers. This is the start element handler, and this is the end element handler. It's going to handle the start element, this is going to handle the end element, and they are assigned to the parser. I can see over here, parser dot, okay. What's next? Enable reparse deferral. The set reparse deferral enable true method is called to enable reparse deferral, which delays the reparsing of unfinished tokens. Parser.setReparse deferral enabled to true. It's going to be set to true, and then we have to print reparse deferral enabled. Okay. Parse XML data. The parser processes the provided XML data. Any start or end elements will trigger the respective handlers. Parse the XML data. Okay. We have the root, and then the attributes, which is equal to value, and then we have the text. Okay. Disable reparse deferral. The method set reparse deferral enabled false is called to disable reparse deferral, allowing immediate feedback during reparsing. Okay. Try parser.parse XML data. Except XML.parsers that expect error. Error parsing XML. Okay. And now set the reparse deferral enabled to false. So that immediate feedback during parsing can occur. The XML data is parsed again to observe the effects of disabling reparse deferral. This example illustrates how to set up an XML parser using XPath, manage reparse deferral, and handle XML data effectively. Okay, this was interesting. It was good to learn. It was fun, exciting. Thank you so much for watching. At the end of the video, I would like to wish everyone a happy life. I would wish everyone a long life. I'm wishing everyone all the positivity and all the good stuff in life. I'm wishing everyone good health. I hope and I wish all of you have good health. So I hope all of you have a good day. I hope all of you have good health. What else can I wish? Yeah, so wishing everyone a good day, good health, and good life. Yeah. So wishing you all the good stuff. Wishing everyone all the good stuff. Thank you so much for watching the video. Stay happy and blessed. Okay. Alright, this is the end of the video. Thank you for watching the video. Wishing you all good health. Wishing you all a good day. Wishing you all a good life. Thank you so much.